TeraFlex's JL Wrangler, Cross Trail, or CT suspensions include everything you need to transform your Jeep. A true no-surprises suspension that will give your Jeep the tools it needs to bring all-encompassing joy to your driving experience. You select the look or function you need by choosing a lift height, along with the shock option, and TeraFlex will do the rest. 8 Alpine, no maintenance, adjustable control arms, heavy-duty track bars, sway bar links, bump stops, they're all included. If down the road you decide to change your mind on how you want to use your Jeep. Adjustable arms allow for movement of the axle position to accommodate your "I need big old tires" needs, as well as steering geometry correction. TeraFlex's Alpine CT Suspensions, all-inclusive and engineered to comfortably bring you to that road less traveled.